So good morning. It's Sunday the 20th of August 2023 and today we're going to have a little drive around Kidsgrove in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. So we're starting here in Dane Gardens and we're just having a look at this house here on the left, and it's got an absolute beautiful garden. Look at all them plants growing and all in flower. So we're driving now up Dane Gardens and we're approaching the junction of Turn Avenue. Let's have a look at the houses in the road of Turn Avenue. So we've got quite a few houses here, and to the left of us where the grass area is, that's another entrance to Birchingwood Country Park, so you can go through there and actually get to the football fields. So we'll go round the corner of Turn Avenue, and as we go round the corner we will be on the junction of Mount Road. We'll turn right here and go up Mount Road towards Newchapel. Mount Road is a road that comes from the traffic lights in Kidsgrove straight up here to the junction of Newchapel. So as we approach the roundabout we will turn left and we'll go up White Ridge Road. White Ridge Road is quite a narrow road, so you do have to take care as you go through here, because there's normally only room, because of the parked cars, for one car to pass. We've got some terraced houses on the left hand side, and as we go up and round the corner here we will see we've got the late shop. The late shop is run by the co-op, and that is as we're coming to the right. So just after we pass the co-op we'll turn down Galleysbank Road and have a look at some of the houses there. So Galleysbank Road is just as we pass the co-op, we'll make a right hand turn. The co-op late shop there has been there for quite a number of years, and as far as I can remember it has always been the co-op. So this is Galleysbank Road, we'll turn right here. We'll go right down Galleysbank Road. There's quite a few houses down here, and we'll drive down to the bottom. There's somebody there carrying the shopping, so they've probably just been to the co-op. When we get to the bottom of Galleysbank Road there's two ways you can go. You can turn right onto Newchapel Road, or you can turn left onto Gloucester Road. Gloucester Road will take you into the bottom end of Kidsgrove. So I think when we do get to the bottom here we will make a left and head down towards Kidsgrove. Right in front of us in the field we've got plenty of cattle. They're all out and up early this morning grazing on the grass. So like I say here now, you can turn right or left. Left will take us to Gloucester Road, and Gloucester Road will come out in Kidsgrove. Down Gloucester Road there is all speed bumps, so it does slow you down considerably. We've got quite a few ex-council houses here, and on the left hand side as we're passing there now is the very, very famous Mary Hill School. There's two schools in Kidsgrove, Mary Hill and Clough Hall. So we're heading down Gloucester Road now. As I say, there is a lot of speed bumps here, and some of the speed bumps are quite worn out and they've got a lot of potholes in them. Just passing the pedestrian crossing there, and we're heading down now towards the bottom end of the road. At the bottom of the road there is a tunnel that goes under the railway. So it's a beautiful day today. It's a little bit on the cool side, but it is brilliant sunshine. Let's hope the day stays like that and we have a nice summer's day. We've had a lot of rain this year, and most days this summer it has been cloudy, dull and wet, and also quite cool. So we're coming down, as I say, to the bottom of the road now, and you can see the bridge and the tunnel I was telling you about, where you go under the railway. If you did make a left there, that would take you into Kidsgrove town centre, where the market used to be. But we'll go down and under the bridge, and we'll turn left and come up through the main road of the Kidsgrove town centre. The lights have just gone green, so we'll make a left-hand turn. As we turn left, directly in front of us there now, we've got the new Lidl. That store was built about 18 months ago. So in Kidsgrove now we've got Tesco, Lidl, and farther up the road, as you see in a minute, we've got Aldi. So I was talking about Tesco. Tesco's here on the left. They have got a petrol station there. The petrol you will find at Tesco and Kidsgrove is probably 5 or 6 pence a litre more than anywhere else. If you ring Tesco and ask them why, they say it's because there's no competition in Kidsgrove. So we've got these terraced houses on the left just as we come into Kidsgrove town. We've got gas and electrical on the corner there. That's been there for a good while, selling fires and gas fires. We've got all the shops as we come up here, and we've got the very, very famous Mr. G's hairdressers as we come past there. That's run by Darren Smith. Barclays Bank on the left. Barclays have just closed that, so Kidsgrove now haven't got a single bank. Every bank has closed down. We're coming up towards the first set of traffic lights now in Kidsgrove, and on the left hand side we've got the town hall with a beautiful clock tower, and as you can see it's coming to 10 to 8 in the morning. As we come to the traffic lights here now, we can turn left, and if we turn left that's the bottom of Mount Road. Mount Road is where we initially started from. If you turn right, that's Ravenscliffe Road, and the building as you turn right into Ravenscliffe Road used to be the old police station. So we'll just have to stop here now at the lights. They're on red. Directly in front of us on the left we've got the other supermarket, Aldi, and on the right hand side of the road we've got the pub, the Crown, or the Plough, sorry. I do apologise, I will correct myself on that. Just past the Plough we've got some old people's bungalows and flats. We'll head up the bank, and on the right hand side we've got another pub. I think years and years ago that used to be called Brennan's. Let me know if I'm right. We'll go up Kidsgrove Bank, We're approaching the Stonebank Road junction. You do need to be careful here. We have got a speed camera on Kidsgrove Bank and the speed limit is 30 miles an hour. What you will notice, I'm keeping to the speed limit. I'm just doing 29 miles an hour, but I guarantee to you as we go up the bank, I bet you some car will come tearing past us, breaking the speed limit. Normally you will get a speed camera van who sits on Kidsgrove Bank, and there's the first one that's actually come tearing past us. Will there be any more? The little pull off to the side, that used to be Kidsgrove Bank, the old road, and it used to twist and curve, and I think what they did do is cut through and make the road more straight. And just as I was saying that, we have got another car that's overtaken us. They must be doing 40 miles an hour plus. So here now at the top of Kidsgrove Bank, we'll turn right. We'll go along here now, and just up here we've got a little grass area. There used to be some swings for children to play on. I can't remember whether they're still there on this grass area here. It does look now like they've been pulled down. So as it says on the screen there, please subscribe to our channel. It's completely free to do that, and it does help us considerably. So we've turned now onto Chatley Drive. Chatley Drive is quite a long road. There is quite a few houses down here. To the left, I believe, is a reservoir, underground reservoir. So as I said, we have got quite a few nice houses. They all seem to be pretty clean and tidy, and we've got a cracking view there towards Golden Hill directly in front of us. So we'll turn right here. This road's called Stonebank Road. As we turn round, we will get an absolutely fantastic view as we go over the brow of the hill here, and Stonybank Road is very, very steep. So as we go over the hill, you will see what a view we've actually got and how the road does drop down considerably. So on a clear day here, you can see for miles, you can see Jodrell Bank, the telescope, and all surrounding areas in that region. So we're coming down Stonebank Road. Years and years ago, I'm sure the bus used to come up here, Stonier's Bus. I'm sure it was a route for that particular company. So as we come around the corner now, we will turn left onto Windmill Avenue. In Windmill Avenue, we have got quite a few houses again on both sides of the road. What we'll do here now, we'll have a look at Popular Drive. So we'll make a right hand turn and we will drive down Popular Drive. At the end of Popular Drive, towards the left, they have got a school, and the access to the school is up this road we're going up now. And believe me, in the morning and at afternoon time, when the kids are coming out of school and all the parents are fetching them, it is absolute chaos here. In fact, it's carnage. There's nowhere to park and you struggle to get through. The school is just up the road there to the right. I don't know how it got cleared to be built there. Surely there must be a better entrance they could have put to the school, because it is running parallel to Liverpool Road, Kidsgrove, which is the main road, and surely that would have been a better entrance for the school. So Popular Drive is a dead end, so we just need to turn round here and then we'll head back out of Popular Drive and back onto Windmill Avenue. When we get to the junction of Windmill Avenue, we'll turn right and as we drive down Windmill Avenue, that will take us to Ravenscliff Road, with the junction of Shakespeare Close. So as we turn right, we will be back onto Windmill Avenue. Directly in front of us to the left there is a pathway down there where you can walk only, and that is a shortcut into Ravenscliff Road, and cross Ravenscliff Road you can go down another pathway and end up on the Poets Estate. Well, thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back soon with more, so stay tuned. Please subscribe to our channel, it's free to do so, and thank you very much and have a lovely day.